माझ महला तीजा ओत पोत परलो शब्दे होवे शब्दे ही फिर ओपत होवे गुरमुख वरतै सब आपे सच्चा गुरमुख उपाय समावणिया। The creation and destruction happens through the word of the Shabad. Through the Shabad, this creation happens again and again. Gurmukh knows that the true Guru is omnipresent, and Gurmukh understands this concept of creation and merger. How vari jiyo vari गुरपुरा मन वसावणिया गुर ते शांत भगत करे दिन राती गुण कहे गुणी समावणिया रहा। I offer myself as a sacrifice, my soul as a sacrifice to those who are immersed in Vaheguru by meditating on true name. From Guru comes peace and tranquility. Worship Him with devotion day and night. Chanting His glorious praises merge into the glorious Vaheguru. Pause. गुरमुख तरती गुरमुख पानी गुरमुख पवन बसंतर खेलै विडाणी सो निगुरा जो मर मर जमै निगुरे आवण जावणिया। Gurmukh has realized this, that God is pervading everywhere. They see Him on the earth and in the water. Gurmukh see Him in the wind and fire. Such is the wonder of His play. One who has no Guru, they come in the cycle of births and rebirths over and over again. Those who have no Guru continue their coming and going in reincarnation. दिन करता एक खेल रचाया काया शरीर विच सब किछ पाया शब्द पेद कोई महल पाए महले महल बुलावणिया। There is one Creator who has set this play in motion. In this form of human body, He has placed everything. Those few who are pierced through by the word of the Shabad, they obtain the mention of Vaheguru's presence, and He calls them into His wondrous palace. सच्चा शाह सच्चे वण जारे सच वणन जहे गुर हेत अपारे सच विहाजहे सच कुमावहे सचो सच कुमावणिया। True is the banker and true are his traders. They purchase truth with infinite love for the Guru. They deal in truth and they practice truth. They earn truth and only truth. बिन राशि को वथ क्यों पाए मन मुख फूले लोक सबाए बिन राशि सब खाली चले खाली जाए दुख पावणिया। No business can be carried out without the capital investment. Similarly, those who are without faith, they can never achieve any spiritual heights. The self-will must get lost in the path of their life. Without true wealth, they go empty-handed. Going empty-handed, they suffer in pain. एक सच वणन जहे गुर शब्द प्यारे आप तरह सगले कुल तारे, आए से परवान होए, मिल प्रीतम सुख पावणिया। Guru-minded people who love Guru's word deal in the merchandise of truth in this world, cross this ocean of life successfully, and enable others also in the process. They are honored in Vahiguru's presence, being accepted by him, and they enjoy the bliss of life by merging with Vahiguru. अंतर वस्त मूड़ा बाहर पाले, मनमुख अंधे फिरें बेताले, जिथे वत होवे तिथों कोई न पावे, मनमुख परम पुलावणिया। Deep within the self is the secret of the treasure of true name, but foolish minds do not understand this and keep looking for it outside. The blind, self-willed manmukhs wander around like demons, but they never find where this hidden secret is. Then manmukhs are deluded by doubt. आपे ही देवै शब्द बुलाए, महली महल सहज सुख पाए, नानक नाम मिलै वड्याई, आपे सुन सुन त्यावणिया। Vahiguru himself guides us in the real pursuit of truth through the Guru's word. He himself bestows the word of the shepherd. Happy soul bride finds peace and remain in equipoise in the mansion of Vahiguru's presence. O Nanak, she obtains the glorious greatness of the Naam. She hears it again and again and meditates on it by being immersed in it.